So I have a BMW Z3. It produces heat from its engine. Let's cook an egg with it. So the car's already a bit warm, so this is a warm start on a 1998 BMW Z3. So before we can actually cook the egg, we have to prepare the pan. And the way you do that is with ghee. If you use anything else besides ghee, you're wrong. Okay, so the ghee is melting very, very slowly. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. This is gonna take a while. Oh my God. I don't know how much gas I'm about to waste on this thing, but if the EPA is watching or some other environmental thing, I'm sorry. All right, there's how I can at least hold the thing so that it stays still. Originally I was gonna make an omelet, but I guess today we're gonna make scrambled eggs instead because I'm at such an angle with this pan that I don't think I can actually, you know, like, move it around without not getting it warmed up. Okay, so a few minutes later, here's the update. The ghee is kind of melting, but not as fast as I want it to. Yeah, we're gonna be here a while. Oh God. All right, that should work. I'm gonna go grab the eggs. So I turned the engine off because quite frankly, we don't really need it for this part, but this is literally just cracking and opening the eggs, all that jazz. I just realized I don't have a place to actually store the eggshells, so, or actually, give me one sec. I am legitimately stupid, not for the fact that I'm trying to cook an egg on a BMW Z3, but for the fact that I literally brought the eggs in this bag and I forgot that I was using it, so something ain't running right up here, literally. Something ain't running right in this engine bay, but something also ain't running right up here, so. No, don't die. Ah. Bags, they have a tendency to fly away, so. I don't know how you guys usually prepare your eggs, but I usually put milk in mine, and the problem is that the milk gallon is heavy, and I was already carrying a bunch of stuff, so no milk in my eggs today. Great. Okay, so after a little bit of mixing, this is what the eggs look like. They seem to be in pretty good condition. I think I mixed them fairly well, so we'll run with this. All right, let's do this. Moment of truth. And I dropped egg into the engine. I'm an idiot, I swear. I swear this will be easier if I had a lighter as well. Like, quite frankly, I'm pretty sure a lighter would make this a lot easier to use. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it in the gap where the airbox would usually be, because I want to see if it'll cook down there any better. This is probably the dumbest idea I've had for a YouTube video, like, ever. I'm an idiot. Oh, hey, we got something at least. I'm getting something. That's a good sign. So if you look really closely, like, and I mean really closely, you can actually see there's a little bit of egg chunks starting to form, which is good. I mean, that's a good sign, I think, right? I don't know. Crap. There's little egg bits that keep falling onto the engine bay. No. This is the dumb stuff I do in my life, man. Like, literally, oh my God. Okay, we're 12 minutes into this right now, and I still haven't been able to get this thing to cook. Oh my God. I mean, to be fair, I'm pretty sure my stove at home would still probably take a good amount of time. Come on, engine. Cook me some eggs. I'm the one getting warm. How am I getting warm? Seriously, this Z3 is warming me up faster than it's warming up the eggs. Okay, you know what? I've been filming for 13 minutes. If I can't get it done in 20, I'm gonna admit defeat, probably drink this, and then go home. That is my forfeit. If I can't cook an egg on my Z3, I'm gonna drink it. I mean, protein, right? I'm trying to look up for safety. So the car is vibrating my eggs, of all things. Like, literally, the engine bay is vibrating the eggs, which is an interesting thing to see. Okay, all right, okay, so it's a little bit of progress here and there, but still not enough to declare this to be an egg. So if I don't get this done in 5 minutes, then I'm drinking this. We're getting absolutely nowhere with this. Oh God. All right, I'm gonna call it. Officially, you can't cook an egg on a BMW Z3, or at least a 1.9 BMW Z3. So, great. I'm a man of my word, so first I'm gonna dump the half-cooked disaster into this, or back into the egg thing. Cheers, my friends. Let's drink the stupidest thing I've ever done. Ugh, that just tastes like, I don't even know, bad decisions. Don't try this. Don't do this. This is a dumb idea. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, you know what? Ugh. Well, I'm starting to hate myself now. This was such a stupid idea. What was I thinking? I don't know. I saw it online. I was like, hey, that's a cool thing. And I went for it. But as we can tell, it didn't work. And I had to drink eggs. Yeah. But just like that, today's video is over. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you'd like to prove me wrong with your own stories, let me know in the comments below. If you want to tell me how I could get it to work, let me know that in the comments below as well. And anything else, let me know in the comments below. And if you like what you're seeing, leave a subscribe. And just like that, I'm out. I'm gonna go eat some more breakfast because that definitely did not fill me up and that was just disgusting. Purely disgusting. Peace.